Hi, looks like you got the second problem wrong, so I wanted to go through it with you. So we have this equation that we are trying to solve, and I noticed that there are parentheses on both sides, and so we're going to do the distributive property twice. And so I'm going to do it at the same time. If that confuses you, you can always do it one at a time, but since the parentheses are on different sides, I think it'll be easy. So this first one, I'm going to distribute negative 12 times x to negative 12x. Then I have negative 12 times 12. Oops, tried to look at the screen while I was writing. Did not work out. Negative 12 times negative 12 is a positive 144. Then we have that equal sign times 1 and negative 9 times 7 to give me negative 63x. And since I have some big numbers, I'm going to grab my calculator and have that handy for when we need it. Okay, so we have this equation, and now I notice I have variables on both sides, and I have constants on both sides, and so I can move whatever I want. I am going to move this minus 63x to hopefully get rid of some negatives. So I'm going to add 63x to both sides, and I'm going to do negative 12 plus 63 gives me 51. X plus 144 equals negative 9. You could have started anywhere. You could have moved the 9 first, or the 144, or the negative 12. Whatever makes the most sense to you. I just noticed that that one was negative and big, and so I wanted to move that. Once you get here, though, you have to choose appropriately. And so what I mean by that is that only one of these is friends with this negative 9. And so we want to move the correct one. And since this is a constant, I want to move the constant, which is 144. So we get 51x equals negative 153. And so now if I'm trying to get the x by itself, I want to identify that this is multiplication, and to undo that we use division. So we're left with x equals negative 3. Check to see if that was an answer, and it is. So this should be our final answer. I hope that helped you.